Peace, everyone, and welcome back to Favor Flow Restorative, where harmony is unleashed, mind, body, and soul. This visualization meditation is specifically for releasing people-pleasing as we honor sacred energy. Because whenever we people-please, we are not honoring our own energy, and you're worth more than that. And so the name of this meditation is The Weight I No Longer Carry. And so we will begin by closing our eyes and taking a deep breath in through your nose, holding it for 3 counts. 3, 2, 1. And exhaling gently through your mouth. Let's do that 2 more times. Take a deep breath in through your nose and hold it for 3. And exhale it. And last deep breath in through your nose, setting an intention for this meditation. Hold. And exhale, gently allowing yourself to settle, recognizing that your shoulders softened, your jaw unclenches, and now your breath is your anchor. Allow yourself to inhale again, slowly, slowly. And exhale, releasing any tension you carried into this space with you. Now imagine yourself standing in an open field at sunrise. The light that's beaming from the sun is soft. It's golden, and it feels so healing. The warmth of the earth beneath you is firm and alive, keeping you grounded. And the breeze wraps around you like a warm embrace. Across your shoulders, you notice that there's a bag. It's heavy, it's full, and it's also worn. You've carried this bag for so long that you forgot that it was even there. This bag holds every yes you said when you meant no, every moment you stretched beyond your peace just to avoid discomfort or conflict. Every time you ignored your own rhythm to dance to the beat of someone else's. Now, gently reach for the straps of this bag. Really feel the weight of it. Acknowledge it. Honor it. It was a teacher. It showed you where boundaries needed to grow. So, in your next breath, slowly remove it from your shoulders and place it at your feet. And visualize that you stand taller without it. and allow yourself to breathe into the space that it now leaves behind. Feel your back realign and feel your spirit rise. Now picture a soft glowing light forms around your body. This is your energy field. It expands with every breath you take. It shimmers in the frequency of love and self-trust. It does not close others out. It simply filters what enters inside of it. We invite you to repeat silently or aloud. I release the weight that was never mine to carry. My time, energy, and presence are sacred. Saying no to what drains me is saying yes to my purpose. I am free. I am whole. I am aligned. I release the weight that was never mine to carry. My time, energy, and presence are sacred. Saying no to what drains me is saying yes to my purpose. I am free. I am whole. I am aligned. I release the weight that was never mine to carry. My time, energy, and presence are sacred. Saying no to what drains me is saying yes to my purpose. I am free. I am whole. And I am aligned. Now in front of you, envision a clear path unfolding. It winds gently and it leads you towards your purpose. With every step that you take on this path, there's light. There's no baggage. There's no pressure, only clarity, intuition, and flow. So we invite you to take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Gently begin to bring awareness back to your body, wiggling your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, feel free to open your eyes. And know that you can return to this path, this peace, this power, anytime. May you continue to flow in favor, peace,